A beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom stacked condo in one of Ottawa's most convenient and fastest growing neighborhoods. Welcome to 62 Argent Private. Step inside and you head up to the main living area. You're welcome with a bright, open concept layout designed for comfortable everyday living. The spacious kitchen offers ample cabinetry and counter space, along with a dedicated breakfast area that opens into a generous balcony. Perfect for your morning coffee, outdoor dining, or simply relaxing at the end of the day. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the formal dining and living areas, creating a bright and living space that is ideal for entertaining or spending time with the family and friends. You'll also find a convenient powder room on this level. Upstairs, you'll find a dedicated laundry room and 2 generously sized bedrooms, each featuring its own private ensuite bathroom, offering comfort and privacy for homeowners, guests, or even roommates. One of the biggest highlights of this home is its location. You're just steps from restaurants, cafes, Shoppers Drug Mart, and everyday convenience, making it easy to leave the car at home for many daily errands. You're also only minutes from Smart Centers Kanata, Costco, Tanger Outlets, the Canadian Tire Center, and have a quick access to the 417, making commuting anywhere in Ottawa simple and convenient. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a downsizer, or an investor, 62 Argent Private offers a nice blend of walkability and everyday convenience. Come check out what this home has to offer.
Good stuff.